that marriage is not to be entered into unadvisedly or lightly, but reverently and deliberately, and in accordance with the purposes for which it was instituted by God. Caroline and Doug are entering this marriage very deliberately and reverently. Today you are choosing love, you are choosing marriage, you are choosing each other, and by your vows, you are promising that you will make that choice every day.
You know, I remember the first time we met Doug, he brought over a fancy pants bottle of Camus. He handed me the bottle and I was like, oh, I think this boy means business. And here we are today.
Doug, you didn't hit many home runs in your career, but I think you've hit one today.
Caroline and Doug, may you have a lifetime of love and always shine bright together. Cheers.
In the name of God, I, Douglas, take you, Caroline, to be my wife.
In the name of God, I, Caroline, take you, Douglas, to be my husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward,
For better, for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health.
to love and to cherish.
This is my solemn vow.
I pronounce that they are husband and wife, and you may kiss the bride.